In this video, you'll learn how to fix network connection failures when using Claude Code. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues that may prevent a successful connection to the API. The first step is to verify DNS resolution. Open your PowerShell and type the command resolve DNS name ap.anthrop.com. If this command fails, it indicates that your DNS server may be blocked, corporate DNS filtering could be active, or a VPN might be interfering with the connection. To resolve this, you can temporarily switch to a public DNS by using the addresses 8888 or 1111. Alternatively, disconnect your VPN and retest the DNS resolution. Next, you will need to test TCP connectivity on port 4433. In PowerShell, execute the command testnet connection ap.anthrop.com-port 44444. After running this command, pay attention to the result labeled TCP test is succeeded. If it returns false, it suggests that your firewall may be blocking outbound HTTPS connections, a corporate proxy is required, or there might be filtered by your internet service provider. To fix this, ensure that outbound connections on port 4433 are allowed, add a firewall rule, and whitelist api.anthrop.com in your settings. Proceed by checking if you are behind a proxy. Many enterprise laptops require specific configurations. Run the command netchate show proxy in PowerShell. If this command shows that a proxy is configured but PowerShell is not utilizing it, your request will fail. If a proxy is required, configure PowerShell to use it by entering system, net, web requests, default web proxy, credentials in net credential cache, default credentials, and then retry your connection. Following this, you will manually test raw HTTPS connectivity. Use the command invoke web request https://api.anthrop.com. Depending on the response, you may encounter a TLS error, which indicates a certificate inspection issue, a connection timeout that suggests a firewall problem, or a name resolution error pointing to a DNS issue. Each of these errors provides clues about what might be wrong with your connection. If you are using a corporate VPN, disconnect it temporarily, as this is a common fix for connection issues with AI APIs. After disconnecting, retry your request to see if it resolves the connection problem. If the request is successful, it likely indicates the VPN policy was blocking the connection. Next, check your local firewall settings. In PowerShell, run the command get net firewall profile to review your current firewall profiles. If you find any outbound restrictions, create a new rule to allow the connection. You can do this by typing new net firewall rule -display name allow Anthropic API -direction outbound protocol TCP remote port 444. If you are using Windows subsystem for Linux or Docker, ensure you test the connection within those environments separately. Containers may lack proper DNS configuration, proxy settings, or CA certificates, which could lead to connection failures. Finally, confirm that TLS version 1.2 or higher is enabled by running net Service Point Manager Security Protocol. If it is outdated, you can set it to the required version using net Service Point Manager Security Protocol equals security protocol type TLLs 1.2. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.